Good evening, sir. Where to?
Richmond, please.
Richmond it is.
Throughout my life, I've had the good fortune to travel the world, witnessing many great natural spectacles. But this is the place to which I've always returned. A sprawling megacity may seem no home for a nature lover like me, but there is a wild side to London. My city is surprisingly alive with all sorts of animals. Over the years, I've come to appreciate what I find on my own doorstep. So, when it comes to discovering the wonders of nature, there really is no place like home.